Coffee isn't just a drink. It's how we start our day, find our focus, and connect with the people around us. Every day, more than 2 billion cups of coffee are enjoyed worldwide. But today's coffee drinkers want more than caffeine. They want coffee that helps them feel good, look great, and perform at their best. Introducing Agara Café. Crafted with premium ingredients, it supports energy, focus, mood, metabolism, and healthy weight management, helping you feel confident, stay on track, and look your best. Every cup is smooth, delicious, and designed for today's lifestyle, bringing affordable wellness to your daily routine. What makes Agara Café so powerful? It's what's inside. Each scoop combines the kind of high-performance ingredients people usually take in a dozen different capsules. Now, all in one simple daily cup. Natural caffeine plus green coffee bean for smooth, steady energy without the crash. L-theanine to promote calm, focus, and balanced mood. Chromium plus saffron to support healthy metabolism, balance appetite, and help manage cravings. Lotus leaf to support gentle detox, fluid balance, and help you feel lighter and more in control. Berberine to nourish metabolic health and support healthy blood sugar balance. Green tea extract with antioxidants that help protect and support overall wellness. Adaptogens like Panax ginseng and lion's mane mushroom to boost resilience and support mental clarity. Every sip delivers real, functional nutrition. No pills required. Whether you're powering through a workout, staying productive at the office, or making mindful lifestyle choices, Agara Café helps you feel good, look great, and stay in balance. Agara Café, elevated coffee for an elevated life.